Now we're going to count. Are you ready? I'm going to take 10 of these out. After you count them, you can eat them. But let's count them first, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I want you to count how many are there by moving them over. So just count them like I just did. You gonna clean your tray off for me? You gotta hold the tray with one hand because I think it's gonna slide. No, you can leave it there, sweetie. You can leave it there, it's okay. Yeah, clean it. Show me how you clean it. Can you use 2 hands? There you go. That's better. Then it won't slide on you. Good job. Really good job, buddy. Good job. Okay, throw that away. Very good job, buddy. Alrighty. Thank you. Can you put the tray back where it goes now? Thank you. Good job. All right. We had a good lunch. What did we have for lunch? Tuna sandwich. It was good, huh? Okay, what do you want to do now?
Skittles.
You want Skittles? Well, you did a good job cleaning up. So yes, you may have Skittles. Okay, here we go. All right, buddy. Okay, so I know you know your letters, but I want you to we're going to work on sounding them out, okay? So what letter is the first letter? What is that? What letter is that?
A.
A. Good job. Okay. What letter is this?
B.
B. Good. Okay. What's that?
C.
C. Good job. Okay. What's this?
D.
D. Good. What's that?
E.
Good. What's that?
F.
Good.
G.
Mm-hmm.
H.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I.
Good.
J.
Okay.
K.
Mm-hmm.
L.
Okay.
M.
Mm-hmm. Say it louder.
N. O. P. Q.
Q.
Q. R.
R.
S.
S.
T.
T. U. Okay.
V.
Mm-hmm. Say it for me.
V.
Okay.
W.
Mm-hmm.
S.
Okay.
Y.
Mm-hmm.
Z.
Good job.
Z.
Okay. Now what I want you to do, now you're gonna tell me what the letter sound says. So like A says what? Ah. A or ah. Say that.
A for A.
Ah. Okay. Okay. And B says what? B says B, right?
B. B.
Okay. C.
No.
C sound can be S or K, like cat.
K. K.
Cat. So K.
K.
Say K. Guess. What does D say? D. Right?
D.
D. Yeah. Good job. E has 2 sounds. What are the 2 sounds?
E.
E and eh.
Eh.
Good.
Son.
You're doing good. Okay, F has 1 sound. What does F say? Show me.
D.
Ba.
D.
I want you to do this. I want you to put your teeth over your lip. Like that.
D.
You want me to help you? Can I help you? Here, go. Open your mouth. Open. Now, close.
Ba.
That's it. Ba. Ba. Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
G says J or G.
G.
G. Right.
G.
Okay. H. Remember what H says?
And
Like hi,
ha.
hello.
Hello.
What does I say? I can say I,
I.
and it can also say I,
Eh.
like icky,
Icky.
or it can say ice, right?
I. Mo. Yeah.
You wanted to do this, and now you're relaxed. It's okay. You're doing a good job. All right. J says what?
This
J for
J.
Jason. Jason.
Jason.
J, right? Good. K says what?
K. K.
For kite
K.
or key.
Key.
L. What does L say? L.
La.
L.
La.
L. Good job. Good job. Okay. M. What does M say?
M.
M like mom. What
Mom.
does it say? Mhm.
No.
N for no. N.
No.
N. Good.
No.
Just like that. Good. O says O or ah.
Ah.
O. It's
O.
like O.
O.
Like four.
Four.
Or you can say ooh like two sometimes. Okay.
No.
P says what?
Pig.
Like pig or pillow. So good. Just like that.
Done.
Almost done. Q says
Quail.
like queen,
Queen.
quail,
Quail.
right? Quiet.
Quiet. Quiet.
Good. R says
Q.
like roof,
Woof.
ready.
Ready.
Good. Okay. S says like snake,
Snake.
silly,
Silly.
spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Okay. T says what?
Pig.
Like truck,
Truck.
truck, tree.
Tree.
That's what T says, right? U says, it can say U, but it can also say like up,
Up.
V says what?
The.
Like very,
The.
and violin,
Violin.
Vegas.
Vegas.
Miranda lives in Las Vegas.
I see lost.
It's kind of like the F sound. You put your teeth on your lip.
Vegas.
Vegas. That's the idea. That was pretty good right there. Good. Okay, W. W says Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wendy.
Windy.
Wendy.
Windy.
Good. Okay. X is kind of weird because it doesn't. X says X, like X-ray,
That's right.
but it also can have a Z sound, like Z,
Z.
like xylophone. But you might say it's usually in words, but X is kind of a strange one. But X, like X-ray,
X-ray.
also is in words like exit or excited.
Excited.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Y.
What?
Y is a weird one too because it can say yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, but it can
Yeah.
also say E. Sometimes it sounds like an E.
Yes.
So like every or Tuesday.
Tuesday.
It sounds more like an A,
Hey.
right? Very, it sounds like an E at the
E.
end. So it says two sounds. Okay. Z, like zebra,
Zebra.
zone.
Zone.
Okay, good job. All right, so those are your sounds. Good, 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 good. And now we're going to do two-letter sounds, okay? WH together is like what, where, why. So WH together says w,
Why?
w,
What?
w. Like who, where, why.
who, where, why.
Good job. Yes, good job. Two E's together just says E. Like tree, free, bee. All right? So what does it say?
E.
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 Yes. Okay. This one can have two sounds. Sometimes it'll say ooh, like food, or it can say like book. So two O's together have two sounds. Depends on the word. Okay. Say food, ooh.
Food.
Say ooh.
Ooh.
And then say ooh, like book.
Book.
Good. Okay. Okay, this one. This, that, Thursday. Say that.
This, that,
Use your tongue.
this, that, Thursday.
Thursday. High five. That's a tough one for you. You're doing good on that. Okay, awesome. Now we're going to count. Are you ready? I'm going to take 10 of these out. After you count them, you can eat them, but let's count them first, okay? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I want you to count how many are there by moving them over. So just count them like I just did. 1, you count. Out loud.
2,
Say it.
3,
Okay.
4, 5.
Okay, wait, let's start. Can we start again? Let's start again. Let's do it slower. Okay, so start again. Say it loud. 1.
1,
Okay.
2,
Good.
3,
Say it louder.
4, 5, 6,
Okay.
7,
Okay, say it louder.
8, 9,
Okay.
10.
High five. That was awesome. Okay, can you move two of them over here?
1, 2.
There's 2. Okay, how many did I want you to move? Just 2. No, wait a minute. It's okay. It's okay. I said move 2 and you did. Okay, let's try it again. Can you move 3? Move 3. Just 3. Only 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, can you count to just 3 of them? Go like this. 1, 2, 3. You do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now can you put 3 back? Put 3 back. 1, 2, 3. Now put 3 more back. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay. My hope is that as Jason learns more about how to associate one item with one count, then we can move on to simple mathematics, and then eventually I want him to be able to understand time. So we got a lot of goals ahead and we're working on it. And as he learns to count better and learns about taking numbers away, putting them back, adding, subtracting, then I think we'll be well on our way. And I'm enjoying the process. I hope he is. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.